The movement of that last convention.
Yeah, but last time it was cloud.
No, not that one. Look at the start of
It's gonna downpour in like a little while. I know it, I can feel it.
Yeah, I can feel it too. It's on my arm and everything.
I just got beamed in the face by a raindrop.
I didn't even say anything or how I could see you touching.
Yeah, I know, it's a winner!
The fanfic should come to life.
Oh my god, it's Sephiroth.
Versus Leon.
Totally wrong game, but okay.
Wrong sword.
Zach walked away.
That thing is too tiny to be... Oh, the violence.
No one's making it. It's gonna rain in like 5 seconds.
That long hair just now.
I know, the hair gets in the way.
My hair is so pretty, but I can't fight because the hair keeps getting in my eye. Come on, I'm your father. I taught you better than that. I doubt it. Get out of here. Hey, Leon. All right?